Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I create this super natural, soft, no makeup look. It is a really minimalistic look because I used only 5 products, and the last one, the 5th one, is also optional. You can use it if you want. You can always spice it up, you can always add something more, or you can use less of a product. But anyways guys, this is the way I understand what is the no makeup look. So yeah, if you're interested, let's get started. The first step is usually a concealer, but I highly suggest skipping the concealer for a no makeup look. I learned this from the article where the makeup artist suggested skipping the concealer because, in his opinion, when you meet a new person, you actually look to his or her eyes and you really do not pay attention to any kind of breakout. And guys, think it yourself. So far as you watch this video, have you noticed that I really have a breakout, like somewhere here on my temple or like somewhere on my chin? You do not see those things that are somewhere else in the face. You really pay attention to the eyes. So yeah guys, we just put a lot of attention to people's eyes instead of any kind of breakout. So I highly suggest putting more effort on the eye look instead of trying to conceal every single bit of your face. I usually start with a thick layer of moisturizer on my face because I feel it helps the foundation to blend into the skin better. And for this look I used a really lightweight watery foundation from 100% Pure. I've been using it for quite a lot, so I really love this product for the days when I want to look like I'm wearing completely no makeup at all. So for this look I skipped the concealer and went straight to the foundation. And for a foundation, opt for something that is a really lightweight, has a dewy, glowy finish instead of being full coverage. Usually full coverage foundation ends up being quite thick, cakey on the face, and it's not a natural look. If you have your favorite full coverage foundation, you can use a trick. Mix 1 part of moisturizer and 1 part of full coverage foundation and apply it to your face with a damp beauty blender. You can also use a BB cream, tinted moisturizer, anything that has more like a tint instead of full coverage is a good choice for no makeup look. Next, for brows and eyes, I used the same neutral colored palette. I started with the brows and I used a really small detailing brush to shape the brows. So I start with a lighter ashy color, I put it all over the brow, and then I add a bit of definition to the tail of the brow, where I put some more of a darker color. As you may notice guys, I do not have brows at all, and it happened because of my inherited skin disorder. It affects my brows, skin, my nails, my hair. Through years I learned that I have to embrace things I have to embrace features I have, so I don't do, you know, that super strong, super defined Instagram kind of brow. I make them really soft, faded, and I prefer them that way. That's all. Next, for the lips, I chose a really natural berry color. Berry colors I think suits me because I have really pale white skin. However, go for a color that is best for you. In my case, as I said, I use this type of color. Next, for the eyes, I use the same detailing brush. I put it in the water, then put it in the darkest color, and then work that color into the roots of my lashes. Have to draw a specific line or something. You have to just work right into the roots and add the pigments there. And when you use a wet brush, it really helps to concentrate the pigments and it look even darker when it appears in the palette. And then I go back with a smudging brush and blend the edge so it would look more soft and natural. And then I take the lighter ashy color and apply it only on my mobile lid. So it's a part of your lid that is moving when you blink. It's not like all over your lid, but just on that moving part. Then I curled the lashes and finished the look with one coat of black mascara. And when the mascara has dried out, I went back with a clean spoolie brush and brushed out all those clumps, because it helps to separate the lashes and achieve more natural look. And the last step, guys, is the highlighter. It's totally optional, you might wear it, you might not, do it as you like. This time I was wearing the highlighter because I was just in the mood for it. I think it adds a lovely glow to the face and to the body. If you apply the highlighter to your body, don't forget to smudge it with your hand, because it always looks natural if you do this. That's all for today, guys. I hope you liked this natural, minimalistic, no makeup look. It usually takes me around 7 minutes to complete the look, but keep in mind that I have to work a lot on my brows, so probably it's gonna take even less of a time for you. So yeah, guys, love you all so much. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in my next video. Bye, guys.